She has long hair.
She has long hair.
He has curly hair.
He has curly hair.
He wears a cap.
He wears a cap.
She has dimples.
She has dimples.
He has freckles.
He has freckles.
She has blue eyes.
She has blue eyes.
He is very thin.
He is very thin.
She has braided hair.
She has braid in hair.
He is muscular.
He is muscular.
He has short hair.
He has short hair.
She has straight hair.
She has straight hair.
He has a confident posture.
He has a confident posture.
He has big hands.
He has big hands.
She has shiny hair.
She has shiny hair.
He wears a wristwatch.
He wears a wristwatch.
She wears earrings.
She wears earrings.
She has long fingers.
She has long fingers.
She has a mole on her face.
She has a mole on her face.
She has a scar on her cheek.
She has a scar on her cheek.
He has wrinkled face.
He has wrinkled face.
She has chubby cheeks.
She has chubby cheeks.
He has a serious expression.
He has a serious expression.
She has a kind face.
She has a kind face.
He has white teeth.
He has white teeth.
She has a beautiful smile.
She has a beautiful smile.
He has strong arms.
He has strong arms.
She has a slender neck.
She has a slender neck.
He has a beard.
He has a beard.
She has a ponytail.
She has a ponytail.
He has a mustache.
He has a mustache.
She wears glasses.
She wears glasses.
He has thick eyebrows.
He has thick eyebrows.
He has thick eyebrows.
He has thick eyebrows.
She has a small nose.
She has a small nose.
He has dark skin.
He has dark skin.
She is tall.
She is tall.
She is short.
She is short.
He is overweight.
He is overweight.
He has an oval face.
He has an oval face.
She has a graceful walk.
She has a graceful walk.
She has a small mouth.
She has a small mouth.